With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here the given question is, the given graph 15.8 describe the distance of a car from a point P at different times when it is traveling from city P to Q, which are 350 km apart. Study the graph and answer the following question. The first part is, what information is given on two axes? So let's solve all the parts one by one. So in first part we have to tell about the information given on the two axes. So firstly, here you can see that this is our x-axis. So the x-axis represent basically the time. So we can say that the x-axis represent time, or you can say that represent different times when car is traveling from city P to Q, right? Now y-axis, so here this is our y-axis, and y-axis represent the distance from P. It is given, so we can say that y-axis represent the distance traveled by car from P. Now let's move to the second part. So here the second part is, from where and when did the car begin its journey? So here you can see that at 8 a.m. the car traveled the distance 0 km. It means it started its journey at 8 a.m. So we can say that car started its journey at 8 a.m. and from the city P, right? Now let's move to the third part. So here let's see what is our third question is. Our third question is, how far did the car go in the first hour? So here from first hour is our from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So now at 8 a.m. it is at 0 kilometer distance. Now at 9 a.m. it is at 50 kilometer distance. So we can say that the car traveled 50 minus 0 kilometer in first hour. Basically 50 minus 0 is 50 kilometer in first hour. Now let's move to the fourth part. How far did the car go during the second hour? So here in fourth part, let's see. In fourth part you have to find the distance traveled in second hour. So our second hour from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So at 9 a.m. the distance is 50 kilometer, and at 10 a.m. the distance is 150 kilometer. So we can say that the car traveled 150 minus 50 kilometer, and it is equal to 100 kilometer in second hour, right? Now let's move to the next one. So here the fourth part and its sub part is 1. Now we have to find the how far did the car go during the third hour also. So here the second sub part for the fourth part is, how far did the car go in the third hour? So third hour is our from 10 to 11 a.m. So at 10 a.m. it is at 150 kilometer distance, and at 11 a.m. it is at 200 kilometer distance, right? So I can say that the car traveled 200 minus 150, which is equal to 50 kilometer in third hour. Now let's move to the fifth part. Fifth part is given as, was the speed same during the first 3 hours? So here in first hour we can see that the car traveled the 50 kilometer, and in second hour the car traveled 100 kilometer, and in third hour the car traveled 50 kilometer. So from these three we can say that the speed is not same. Let's see what is the question. It is not same during the first 3 hours, right? So it is not same during the first 3 hours. So now let's move to the sixth part. Our sixth part is here. Did the car stop for some duration at any place? So here you can see that now from 11 a.m. to 12 noon, the car here at 11 a.m. the car is at 200 kilometer distance from P, and now also at 12 noon the car is at 200 kilometer at 12 noon. So we can say that in sixth part, from 11 a.m. to 12 noon the car traveled 0 kilometer distance. It means the car stops here. It means the car stops for 1 hour. This car stops for 1 hour, and the timing is from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. Now let's move to the seventh part. When did the car reach the city Q? So here city Q is at 350 kilometer apart. Here it is 350 kilometer apart. So now let's find what is the timing. So here the timing is 12 p.m. So we can say that the car reached the city. The seventh part is car reached the city Q at 2 p.m. So here we find all the answers.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.